Salesforce Certified Marketing Cloud Administrator Exam Dumps questions are the best material for you to take and pass the test easily. Share some Salesforce Marketing Cloud Administrator Exam Dumps here. 1. A Marketing Cloud admin wants to create a suppression list for hard-bounced email addresses. Where could the details be found? A. Run a bounce email report. B. Query the bounce data view. C. Query the send log. D. Run an account send summary report. 2. What functionality is contained in Journey Builder that does not exist in Automation Studio? A native execution of a server-side JavaScript activity. B. The option to convert a qualified lead to a contact. C. Flexibility to wait based on duration or a specific time. D. The ability to send an email to a Salesforce audience. 3. A Marketing Cloud admin at Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, is exploring whether they need to separate their brands into separate business units. When should the admin create separate business units for each of NTO's brands? A. NTO requires SSL certificate configurations for Content Builder and Portfolio images. B. Brand-specific private domains need to be leveraged when wrapping images and links in email campaigns. C. Multiple brand logos must be accommodated in an email header. D. A new sender profile needs to be leveraged for sending transactional emails. 4. A Marketing Cloud admin is using the import wizard to import data into a non-sendable data extension, but receives an error indicating the import type being used requires a primary key. Which import type could the admin use instead? A. Add only. B. Overwrite. C. Add and update. D. Update only. 5. Northern Trail Outfitters wants to have specific permission restrictions applied to all users in a business unit. How should they accomplish this? A. Assign a role to the business unit. B. Set default permissions with the restrictions on the business unit. C. Apply a permission set to the business unit. D. Disable the permissions directly within the business unit. 6. What are entry source types for Journey Builder? A. Data extension, Cloud Pages, Email list, API event. B. Data extension, Audience Studio, API event, Date-based event. C. Data extension, Email list, API event, Date-based event. D. Data extension, Salesforce Community, GA360, Email list. 7. Security and legal teams determine subscriber data available to EMEA teams should not be available to AMER teams. How could the Marketing Cloud admin ensure distinct data integrity across the regions? A. Deploy multi-org with a single Marketing Cloud account. B. Deploy separate publication lists for each region within one account. C. Filter data view permissions at the subscriber level. D. Separate regions into business units and apply subscriber filters. 8. A Marketing Cloud admin has been asked to update their Marketing Cloud SFTP password. Where in Setup could they accomplish this task? A. Data management. B. Security. C. Feature settings. D. Company settings. 9. A Marketing Cloud admin has been asked to grant full administrator permissions to a new user. Which two standard roles should be selected for the new user? Choose two answers. A. Marketing Cloud Security Administrator. B. Administrator. C. Data Manager. D. Marketing Cloud Administrator. 10. Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, only has enough licenses for their staff. A campaign manager is out on parental leave. How should NTO create a new user to fill in? A. Delete the campaign manager's user and create a new user. B. Disable the campaign manager's user and create a new user. C. Transfer the campaign manager's permissions to a new user. D. Deactivate the campaign manager's license and assign it to the new user.